And dear friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In this video, I'll be showing you can be able to recover your KRA PIN password. Let's for example open our favorite browser. For me, I'm using Brave. Go to itax.kra.go.ke/portal KRA portal/login. You'll find this link in the description down below. So this is my KRA PIN. I have tried all the passwords that I can be able to remember, but none of them is working. For example, if I try to log in and solve this arithmetic problem, then I click login, you realize that it is saying wrong password. So how you can be able to reset this, go down here where it is written forgot password or unlock account, then click that. It will bring you to this place whereby you are required to enter your KRA PIN, which is automatically fetched from the home page. Then enter your security stamp, which is 117 for my case. Then submit. So once you have submitted, it will tell you operation successful. Your password has been mailed to you. So then you can click go back. So this is my email. This is my email, and when I go here, you realize that I have received a password and a KRA PIN from the KRA portal, which is this one. This is my KRA PIN. So I can drag this, then put it here, then continue. So for the password, I'll use this password that has been mailed to me just right away. So I'll copy this and also paste it here. So after that, you save the security stamp again, which is 99, then click login. So when you log in after resetting your password, you are required to enter the old password. This old password is the password that you have received from the KRA. So you use that password here. Then you enter your new password. So for me, I'll enter another new password. Then I'll also continue and enter the same password again to make sure that, I'll enter the same password again to make sure that it is correct. Then from there, you can select any question, security question. Then I'll select maybe the school. Then I'll type maybe the school that I went to. Then after that, make sure that you agree to the KRA website policy and the disclaimer. You can read this and be able to agree with it. Then you can also, I have read the KRA website secure password policy guide. Then you can accept that also, then click submit. Then at the top here, it will bring a pop-up, new password, confirm new password should be the same. So maybe I typed this password wrongly, so I'll retype it again. Then repeat the same process again. Then try to submit the same again. So after submitting that, I'll be able now to log into my KRA account successfully, and that's how you can be able to to change your KRA password without any problem. In the next video, I'll be showing you how you can be able now to file your KRA returns. Thank you for watching.